Getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, now I do. And I wish that I could put a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish.
Wonder if God got a plan for everyone. I wonder if I could take a second run, 'cause I carry on getting sad and getting stuck. What I wouldn't give for a life that doesn't suck. I'm a moving target. I never finish what I've started. I'm a moving target, but if I stop moving, then I'll have to face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. Whoa, whoa.
Hey guys, it's your girl Mimi, M-I-M-I, and it's a period. Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. If you are back to back subscriber, you're highly welcome. Guys, what do I have here today? I have my ogbono soup. I've been craving for ogbono soup for a long time. I know I've eaten ogbono soup in this channel, but I just want this, and guys, I do want to give it to you guys. Join me, guys. It's massive. Yeah. So, guys, let's demolish and enjoy. You know how it is. It's your girl Mimi, M-I-M-I, and it's a period. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Just the way we do it. Okay, support your girl, come on, doesn't take nothing. Okay, I'm just going to eat because I'm so hungry. I'm hungry. I'm not gonna lie, I'm hungry. I'm so hungry.
So I found the strength to say it was harder than catching the moon. And when the words fell out, I saw the warmth filling the room. So I gathered the strength to lift it, and you picked it up and laid it down, and you picked me up and I am found. It's without a cause. herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries to day in, day out, it's the same road we're walking down. Same job, same town, 'cause we've been told that's the way our world goes round. Walking on the grounds we've always known, stepping on the footprints in the snow. 7 days, 7 nights since my hair got cut and dyed. We were riding through the woods with our bikes. We got scared when it got darker at night, 'cause everyone was missing safety lights. So we tried to use a flashlight as a guide, and now I'm shadows played a trick on my eyes. Creatures in my bedroom at night. Lately I have not been sleeping fine. I can't get no.
So guys, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. As you know, it's your girl Mimi, and it's a period. Thank you again for watching to this time. I love you. Stay tuned. Stay beautiful and bye.